So this was driving me crazy. How do you get these type of batteries out of a first alert smoke and carbon monoxide alarm? I tried to stick something in between there. I don't want to use a screwdriver or something metallic because these are rechargeable batteries and I don't want to destroy them. Well, I finally figured out what the secret is. No, it's not these edges only. It's the fact that if you turn it over, you'll notice that these are little panels here, and they can be pushed in order to push the battery up so that you can get it out. No instructions for that anywhere I can see, but look what happens to make this easy. And it's easier to start with the one on the right-hand side. So you hold this like this, and then you push up. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time. I'm making a video about it. So you push, and that will allow that battery to come forward so you can get your hands around it. Then you can get your hands around this one, but you can also push and get the other one out.
Gotcha.
I'm making a video and I'm putting it on YouTube.